What's going on, guys? This is Drew Drives at Grubb's family of dealerships in Polestar Grapevine. And today we're going for a drive in this 2026 Polestar 4 dual motor with Pilot and Plus. This vehicle is 544 horsepower, 506 pound-feet of torque with a 100 kilowatt-hour battery. And so yeah, this is like the second trim level of the Polestar 4. You can get a single motor, which I made a video on the other day, but this is the dual motor with more power and torque and more performance. So basically the way with these cars is like you can get a single motor or dual motor and option them out the way you want. This one is very, very highly optioned. As you can see, it has like the gold Polestar seat belts. This one looks like it has the Bridge Aware Napa leather. I believe it does. And you have a Harman Kardon sound system. You have I really like the interior on this car. It's beautiful. You have a great spot for your wireless charging tray, very easy to use screen with built-in Google Maps. One thing I found interesting is you can see change your ambiance with all the planets, Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. And if you want to see fun facts about our solar system, you could do that. I think that's kind of funny. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a nice 360 view camera. And obviously the Polestar 4 does not have a rear view window. And so you have to use this camera mirror to see out of this car. Very similar interior to the Polestar 3. But yeah, I really like this car. It looks really, really nice. I thought these come equipped with Bowers & Wilkins if you optioned it, but I think Harman Kardon is the premium sound system in this vehicle. And you obviously have one pedal drive as well. I like to keep it on the medium setting. I don't like the second setting because it's a little bit too aggressive for me, because I'm not really a one pedal drive kind of driver. I like to have some control. And then you can scroll through like your gauge cluster or little screen over there and keep the map. I'm just going to do that. But let's walk around this Polestar 4 dual motor and see what it looks like. This one, as I mentioned, has a matte finish. It looks beautiful. I think the Polestar 4 looks really, really good. And on the Polestar 2 and Polestar 3, you also have the same performance wheels with the gold Akebono brakes. Or wait, are these Brembos? Yeah, it might be Brembos. But yeah, it looks awesome. I love this matte gray paint. It looks beautiful. You have Pirelli P0 tires. Polestar 4 100 kilowatt-hour battery. It says it over there. Here are the rear seats. Polestar 4 100% traced interior. Animal welfare secured. It says on the back of the seat. You also have a little screen for the rear passengers. Looks like you also have heated rear seats too. This thing looks so cool. I love this matte finish. Here's the trunk. Very interesting design without a rear window. I've never seen that on another car. So let's look at the window sticker. 2026 Polestar 4 dual motor with Pilot and Plus. Dual electric motor. 100 kilowatt-hour battery. 11 kilowatt onboard charger with up to 200 kilowatts fast charging. Google built-in 15.4-inch landscape center display. The Pilot pack will give you pilot assist and lane change assist. Plus pack will give you head-up display, Harman Kardon sound, 12-way electrical seats, 5.7-inch rear control and entertainment screen. Driver awareness package, and this one has the performance pack too, with 22-inch performance forged wheel and tires, bumper brake calipers in Swedish gold. Yeah, they're Brembos, as I mentioned. Polestar engineered performance chassis, Swedish gold seatbelts and valve caps. Total price is $82,500 on the window sticker. 77 MPGe combined city and highway. So basically you could call this 2026 Polestar 4 dual motor, and the performance. You could call this a dual motor performance. So yeah, this one's pretty loaded out. And I love the performance pack. It looks so good. And I want to tell you guys the name of the color too. Let's look at that real quick. The name of the color is EXT871. EXT871 is the name of the color on the window sticker. But let's get out on the road and see how it drives. I'm gonna put performance power delivery. This the single motor I drove the other day didn't have that because it was a single motor and didn't have a performance pack. I'm gonna put suspension feel at firm. So basically I want to drive it in the most aggressive settings. I want to feel the performance aspect of this car. And yeah, it literally says over here, since it's a matte finish paint, you cannot machine wash this car. You must hand wash it or you will damage the paint. Yeah, it's pretty quick. My phone just flew out of that wireless charger. It is fast for sure. Man, this thing packs a punch. It is really, really fast. Nice. And yeah, the interior, it's just this is a really, really nice car. I love the fit and finish of all the materials in here. And this specific one just looks so awesome. I love the steering wheel. I love the metal little strip on the top of the steering wheel. And one thing that's cool about this is you'll probably not even see another one on the road in this spec. So Polestars are very uncommon. I don't really see many of them on the road, and a lot of people always wonder what they are. So this car will get a lot of attention if you drive around in this thing. You'll probably have people coming up to you everywhere asking about it. The suspension feels really, really nice. But yeah, even in this sportier settings, it definitely feels very comfortable. Definitely gives you the power that you need to overtake in traffic. Very effortless power. Yeah, I'm really, really liking this drive, guys. I just love the way this car looks. I really, really like the steering wheel. It just feels so good. Like, it's a nice thick steering wheel. And it's really, really quiet in here too. Like, Polestar did a great job with noise deadening in this car and making it feel very nice and well made. It definitely does that very, very well. It's got some thick wipers too. Very, very nice. Suspension cornering is really good. The car feels very, very stable. And the graphical head-up display is very easy to read as well. Yeah, you put your foot down, this thing will throw you back in the seat. And I think it can get roughly 300 miles of range. I mean, that's on a full charge at 73%. It's at 185 miles now, so maybe high 200s. Realistically, depends on your driving habits, if you like punching the accelerator or if you drive kind of normally. give you like a little bit of warning in the head-up display too, if you get close to something. But yeah, like that turning power is really good. And I forgot to mention, this one has heated seats, ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel as well. The single motor I drove the other day didn't have the ventilated seats. And I don't think it had the full leather either, like this one does. So that's probably why. It had like a mixed materials, leather, regular. But we have now returned to Polestar Grapevine. So that concludes today's video. Thanks for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Polestar Grapevine in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own Polestar 4 or test drive one.